Namaste and welcome to today's episode of Interview. Guest for today's evening is an amazing personality who works in the field of wildlife conservation. So let's welcome Anadi Sharma. Anadi, welcome you to this session of interview. Thank you for taking out some time for this valuable session.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks for inviting me to your session.
My pleasure. So first of all, let us know about yourself a little bit, like what you do or your hometown and so on.
I am a teenager from Chandigarh, Punjab. I completed my class 12 this year and I aspire to become an ornithologist, wildlife illustrator and an animal rescuer, which means mainly working on the field of wildlife conservation.
What drove you to this field?
Since I was a child, I was interested in going to the zoo. I loved going to the zoo, and which developed the love for animals. And since 3 to 4 years, I have been feeding birds at my home, which developed the fondness for them too.
Yeah, it is seen that you rescue a lot of birds. So share some of the experiences from that field.
Yes, ma'am. So in the lockdown, I rescued 9 to 10 birds and animals. Mainly they were birds. So once I got a pigeon which was entangled in the kite manja we used to fly on Sakranti. So I rescued.
Yeah. Okay, please continue.
So I rescued it and it went free after that, and it was a great feeling to do that. So yeah.
Okay, that's really nice. And it is seen that whatever you do the photography of birds or any other wildlife, you also like to represent them in the through the painting. So what is this all about? So you do wildlife photography, then again painting also. So how did all these ideas come to your mind?
Yes, ma'am. So I started wildlife photography also last year in the lockdown, and through that, when I used to photograph birds, I found my keen fondness to paint them on paper. Since then, I have been painting them. Some of the shots I took, I painted them, and I usually like to paint the shots by other photographers. I love wildlife illustration in general.
So what type of materials do you use when it comes to painting?
For my paintings, I love using acrylics because I am more comfortable using them. They are a very flowy medium and it can be used on any surface. I also painted a spare fridge at home depicting wildlife on it, like butterflies and fan-throated lizard and some birds. And other than acrylics, I love using watercolors.
So what are your future plans relating to the field of wildlife conservation as well as your academic career?
Yes, ma'am. I want to change the perception how we see wildlife conservation. We hear about the topic, but we are not that serious about it. And I want to study different animals and birds on this blue planet and research upon them, and also travel to all the wildlife sanctuaries in India. And for my academics, I want to pursue zoology.
That's really nice, and all the best for your next endeavor, Nadi.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So this year on 1st April, you decided to celebrate it as April Fool Day instead of April Fool Day, and you planted some of the trees. So how did this idea comes to your mind, which is really unique?
Yes, ma'am. I got this idea of April Fool Day from WhatsApp forwards urging people to celebrate April Fool Day instead of April Fool Day. It refers to planting trees to make our earth cool rather than making fool of people and cracking jokes on that day. So I found this idea really noble and thoughtful because our earth is suffering from deforestation, and because of that there are habitat losses, and also the earth is increasing its temperature because of global warming. So I brought 4 tree saplings to plant at home and spread the word through social media.
You are definitely spreading awareness through your work, and as you have started so early, you will definitely go further. And on the Earth Day 2021, you have done a painting on Mother Earth. So share the story behind that painting.
Yes, ma'am. I think art is a great medium of expressing thoughts and feelings. So on Earth Day this year, I decided to paint Mother Earth the way I see it. I used the watercolors. I used the medium watercolors to do that, and through the painting, I depicted the Earth as a sign of generosity, kindness, and equality. Because I tried to show water and birds and animals in the same page.
That's really nice. So what are your point of view, or what type of advice do you want to give to the youngsters who are of your age and are interested to work in this field?
I think we should start it from home. Like 3 to 4 years ago, I started feeding birds, which developed my fondness for them, and now Indian silverbills is a species of bird which visits in a huge group of 50. Like every day they visit, and people see the tree on the lemon tree which they visit. They see the tree, and they pass comments such as they pass compliments instead of comments, such as these birds are bound to be endangered and stuff like this. So it motivates me, and for others also, if they start feeding birds and animals in their locality, I think in masses we can assure that people will become wildlife enthusiasts. And for a child, I think going to the zoo and seeing the birds and animals around only, it helps a lot.
So what are your favorite places for birding?
Mainly I do birding at home at my terrace, and there only I found 50 plus birds, and I can even recognize them from their calls and sounds. So yeah, for birding I mainly go to my terrace in the morning.
What type of gear are you currently using for birds photography?
For my bird photography, I am currently using a non-entry camera. It's not even, we cannot even enter through it to a wildlife photography contest. I use Canon PowerShot, but I think the camera which you hold, it's not its ability, it's the ability of the user. Even from a photograph camera of the phone, you can do wonders, I think.
Definitely, your words are really valuable, Anadi, and hope this interview will inspire many minds. We are to the end of this session, and I must say that you are truly an amazing and inspiring personality. Thank you once again. It was great interacting with you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Audience, if you like watching today's video, make sure you have subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification so that you can get notified every time I upload a video. I will be back soon with a new one. Till then, thank you so much.